canals, rivers and streams. I'm a beautiful bird, seen by a few. Do you like my feathers? They're electric blue. Got an orange breast, a long sleek beak, short blue tail and bright orange feet. On the wing I fly, fast and low, looking for my meal in the water below. When it comes to fish, I like to eat mine whole. Swallow head first and down it goes. There goes a pellet, leftover fish bits. Can you smell it? Kingfisher, riverbank queen. She likes to dive in the rivers and dive.
The common kingfisher is a diving bird.
Man, I'm so good, it's absurd. I'd score a perfect 10 in any competition. Don't cause a splash, I might be a magician. I see underwater with my third eyelid. That's how I catch fish fast, kid. The river bank is the place for my nest. I dig out a burrow for safety and rest. Lay a clutch of eggs, teeny and glossy, that soon become babies, hungry and bossy. Their little beaks are luminous, makes feeding in the dark real easy for us. Kingfisher, riverbank queen. She likes to dive in the rivers and dive. Kingfisher, riverbank queen. She likes to dive in the rivers and dive. Oh yeah, I love to dive into streams, yeah. Dive, all day. Little kingfisher round your way, yeah.
Everybody listen to Robin's song. He's ready to rock all day long. Yeah. You better move along when you hear Robin's song. I'm DJ Red, you might recognize me. The Robin Redbreast, I'm famous, you see. On Christmas cards, surrounded by snow. But I'm here all year, don't you know? Spot me in a bush, on a tree or a wall. I weigh as much as 7 ping pong balls. First up in the morning, last one to sleep. Watching for food, I never miss a beat. I eat worms, seeds, whatever fruit I find. And I use my song to say, hey, that's mine. Everybody listen to Robin's song. He's ready to rock all day long. Yeah. You better move along when you hear Robin's song.
The Eurasian robin is a perching bird.
I got my favorite branch. You feel me? Word. See, your garden's my patch, and I don't like to share. Other birds, well, they best beware. A female robin looks just like me. I'm so handsome, and so is she. Brown and gray with a bright red breast, large black eyes to spot insects. Other birds love when I sing out loud, cause I let them know when danger's around. I go high as I can to the top of the tree, and I sing out my warning, yo, can you hear me? Everybody listen to Robin's song. He's ready to rock all day long. Yeah. You better move along when you hear Robin's song. Everybody listen to Robin's song. He's ready to rock all day long. Move it along now, move it along. It's time to go, this is the Robin song.
We stick together, one for all for one. It's a murmuration. We take to the skies and we move as one. It's a murmuration. Here it is, the starlings world.
Sit back and watch us twist and twirl.
At dusk, we go way up high.
Then we do our dance up in the sky. A group of starlings is a murmuration.
The shapes that we make have no limitation.
We stay in our flock all year round.
Where there's one,
there's more to be found. We build our nests next to each other.
Neighbors, friends, sisters and brothers, social birds, such a great team. When we take to the sky, we look supreme. We stick together, one for all for one. It's a murmuration. We take to the skies and we move as one. It's a murmuration.
The starling is great at mimicry.
Yeah, cousin mine has got nothing on me.
King of imitation, we copy any sound. Hear it, repeat it, loud and proud. A human voice, hello.
An electric guitar.
Your mom sneeze.
An alarm for a car. My yellow beak has a base that's blue.
Check mine out. Girls have a pink hue. Our feathers look black from afar, but look a little closer and voila!
Iridescent, purple and green. Dotted with white, it's a beautiful scene.
We stick together, one for all for one. It's a murmuration. We take to the skies and we move as one. It's a
Murmuration.
It's the magpie. I'm the magpie, magpie I am. By the end of this song, you'll be a fan, yeah. Magpie. Here's why. Got something to say? I'll keep it brief. I'm the magpie, and I ain't no thief. It's often said I steal shiny things, but that's just a rumor, cause I like my bling. So you can ignore all the folklore that you ever heard about me before. Yes, superstition surrounds me. Some places bad luck, other places lucky. But me, I'm just trying to be true and live a happy life just like you. I eat everything, from fruit to carry on. In winter, I'm like a vegetarian, dressed to impress as if it's black tie. The monochrome feathers of the mighty magpie. I'm the magpie, magpie I am. By the end of this song, you'll be a fan, yeah. Magpie. Here's why.
The Eurasian magpie is intelligent.
A real smart bird, that's evident. From a group of birds called Corvidae. That means crow family to you and I. Got a brain to body mass ratio that's equal to a human, yo. I look in the mirror and I like what I see. I'm so smart, I know it's me. On reflection, I see perfection. Beautiful black and white complexion. A strong black bill, a tail that's out of sight. It looks just like a diamond in flight. I'm the magpie, magpie